love luxury motorhomes like this one? Make sure you hit that like button right now.
Subscribe for more incredible RV tours and drop a comment telling us your favorite feature.
Hold on to your hats. You're about to step inside a literally 8-story luxury tower on wheels. This truly jaw-dropping, ultra-luxurious Kenworth motorhome, almost $1 million, premium rig, redefines RV life in America and beyond. Before we kick things off, smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below to tell us which feature you think is craziest of all. We've got 8 whole floors to show you, so buckle up. Starting on floor 1, you enter the driver's cabin. It's built on Kenworth's legendary heavy-duty cab, so it's spacious and tough. Expect the high-tech dashboard of a big rig, but in luxury style. Right behind the wheel sits the living lounge. Think premium sofa that even folds into a king-size bed. Across from it is a massive 50-inch LED TV for entertainment. Underfoot, the floor is tile with in-floor heating, so your feet stay warm no matter where you park. And that's floor 1. Wait until you see the gourmet level right above. Floor 2 houses the kitchen and dining area. A full gourmet galley here is loaded with high-end appliances and even slide-out countertop extensions. The designer materials are top-notch. Cabinet wood and true Korean countertops, you choose yourself. Beside it is the formal dining area, a table and chairs made for enjoying meals on the go. It's basically your own 5-star restaurant on wheels. Every detail is custom, just like a luxury home. Up the stairs to floor 3, and the private quarters await. Floor 3 is the master suite. You step into a bedroom fit for royalty. A plush king-size bed with its own 22-inch LED TV on the wall. There's wardrobe space and maybe even a little vanity. Off the bedroom is the main bathroom, a spa-like bath area with a walk-in shower, high-end fixtures, and heated tile floors. The same system warms the whole floor. You feel like you're in a 5-star hotel, just with a steering wheel downstairs. Keep your seat. Floor 4 has even more surprises. On floor 4, the design gets flexible. Part of it is set up as a private office, with a built-in desk and monitors so you can work or game anywhere. The rest might be a dressing room or closet space. A luxury RV might include a personal prep area with mirrors and storage. This floor is all about making life on the road easy. Home office by day, walk-in closet by night. We're not repeating any space, so every inch is new. Halfway up now, and floor 5 is all about staying fit and fresh. Floor 5 features a full gym and laundry. You can even exercise here. Treadmills, bikes, or free weights are packed in so you can work out without stepping outside. Next to it is a laundry room with a stacked washer/dryer for clean clothes. No laundromat needed. Your washer keeps clothes clean and dry. This floor keeps you healthy and organized on the road. Moving on, floor 6 is pure pampering and health. Up on floor 6 is the wellness level. Imagine a luxurious massage room with a massage chair or table, so you can relax after a day of driving. Right next door, there's even a small medical room or first aid station, with supplies and maybe an exam bed. It's like having a clinic on board. This is one floor dedicated to health and well-being, making sure you feel great no matter how far the journey. 3 floors to go and things get playful on floor 7. Floor 7 is a mix of personal care and fun. There's a men's grooming area, a shaving/vanity station for quick touch-ups, and somewhere a kids' play area with games or cushions. Fun space for little travelers. The wild card here is a fully loaded private party lounge or tiny club, complete with dance lights and a music system. Yes, this motorhome even has a little dance floor for celebrating anywhere you park. We're using up all our floors, so each one has something fresh. Finally, we reach floor 8, the grand finale. On the top floor, you'll even find the most unbelievable amenities. Some mega RVs include an indoor swimming pool or spa. Imagine taking a dip at 60 miles per hour. Plus, this level houses the Smart Tech Command Center. Everything is controlled by fully integrated systems. For example, Lippert's One Control lets you run lights, HVAC, slide-outs, and even monitor fridge/freezer and tank levels from a smartphone. And at the very top, there's the rooftop deck lounge, open-air seating with panoramic views under the sky. If you enjoyed this crazy vertical mansion tour, make sure to subscribe for more luxury RV content You won't believe what we'll show you next.